guys, I'm sorry because just now, yeah, the building was shut off the Wi-Fi, and but don't worry, we are recording the video for you guys. So let's continue. So this is the TPU print. Yeah, Gary print a few days ago. We can remove it.
Yes, that's the football.
This is very nice surface.
Yes, I had a black one.
Wow, it's really cool. I like it. It's flexible, right? It's really nice. Okay, yeah, this is the TPU filament. Very interesting. And this is the puppy.
Sitting dog.
The puppy, yes, very nice surface. And I like the color. It's soft,
yes, the
right?
white color TPU.
Very nice.
And
oh, this is the tie.
yes, I print many tie.
It's Gary's Ferrari tie.
The Ferrari.
Okay. You should print a car, okay?
Yes.
Where's the body?
You know, there's very important apply. Maybe it's the shoe.
Okay, the shoes pad.
Yes.
Cool.
The color not available on
so we can design
Amazon.
it by ourselves, right? We can design
Yes.
it.
Not
The
just
size.
design. We can scan. Some after we can take a look video.
Yes. Show to our friends what your print. Nice. Okay.
So here we can
Cool.
see a video.
So yeah, TPU enables you print shoes in store, phone case, sporting goods, medical device, automotive instrument panels. Right? A lot. Okay. Sporting goods and footwear. As sporting goods need to be flexible and hard wearing, TPU filament is the perfect choice, I think. In many sports, it can be found in training ads, water requirements, and fitness requirements. Footwear has to withstand lower temperature, flexibility, and be resistant to water and chemicals. Therefore, 3D printing TPU is great for manufacturing sporting goods. And the automotive industry has turned to TPU materials and implement it into the manufacturing process of the vehicles. In recent years, the use has risen considerably. Consequently, it can often be found in instrument panels, sensors, and layers, as well as many other areas. Okay, yes. And the aerospace industry is also taking the use of TPU 3D printing seriously, as it too has increased its use. Understanding exactly what it has to offer, it can also be found in instruments, panels, and sensors. It's really cool. Yes. Okay. Can you show me like Yeah, you said your friend
Yes, my
It's like,
friend, yes, they are
running a shoes
yes, use the 3D
shoe
printing.
store. Yes, it's really cool. Show us then.
Yeah, here you see here the printer just clean the TPU. Use the TPU clean the Yousu. Yeah, you can see there's scan. Yes, the scan. And there's the design.
Nice. Interesting. Okay, this is probably today's live stream. Thank you for your guys watching and sharing, and see you next week.
Yes, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.
Yes.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.